Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is which sentence is appropriate for a formal emails? The windings machines are full of junks and kids are forced to settle for what there's healthy alternatives should be added to the bindings machine to promote good health. When students get the machines at the end of the day needs healthy choices, let's get rid of the current snacks machines and replace it something worthwhile. The correct answer of the question is the sentence that is appropriate for a formal email is healthy alternatives should be added to the vending machines to promote good health. This sentence is the most formal and directly addresses the need of the healthier choice is professionals' manners. The other sentences use more casual language or expression and may not be suitable for a formula email. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.